Now, what if there's no slope written, okay? An equation like this, right? Here we talked about what if there's no y-intercept written? It's 0 because it's plus 0. But here, if there's no slope written, like this, okay, this time the slope is 1. It's the number 1. Why? Because these two things are the same. Y equals x plus 3, y equals 1x plus 3, right? We know that if I just have an x by itself, that equals 1x. So again, you can feel free to write it for yourself, right? Like when you see this, you can say, oh, that is a 1, and you can write it. That's fine. Okay, but here I'm going to start at a y-intercept of -4. My slope is 1. I'm going to make it into a fraction. That's my rise over my run. I'm going to go up 1, right 1. And look here, I can actually do it a bunch of times before I run out of space, which is nice. It'll make my line nice and neat. Okay, let's look at one that's similar to that. Right here, I have a negative x, and you think, oh, what's that negative number? Well, that is a -1. So again, I'm going to start at my y-intercept of 2. This is -1 over 1, right? So this is, my rise is -1, my run is 1. So that would look like this. Okay, so if you don't have a slope written, that invisible number in front of the x is a 1. Okay, and of course then we write it as a fraction, either 1 over 1, or if it's negative, -1 over 1.